After doing a test on the Mini 4 Pro, one of my subscribers asked me to do a battery test with it. And I thought, well, I'll get onto that fairly soon. It's been a while, I've been waiting for the right weather. Today wasn't the right weather. It's freezing out here, literally. So a very quick video today where we're going to test the battery endurance of all three of the drones. So that's the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro, and the Air 3. No, you're not. You're not even going to get all the way through the Mini 4 Pro. But carry on watching. So, let's get on with it. Okay, this bit was really fun to film. Obviously, I wasn't flying both drones at the same time. That's very difficult to do, and you're actually not allowed to do that. But what I did do was film them one after the other and then cut all this video together. Great fun. This wasn't the most interesting bit of my afternoon, I have to admit. You can see me there having a cheeky vape and just generally wandering around. And then I noticed on my controller with the Mini 4 Pro this message that came up in the top left of my screen. I hung around for a bit and thought perhaps it'll go away, but no it didn't, and I was very worried about damaging my Mini 4 Pro. So I carefully landed it to see what was going on. So it looks like we've got ice build-up on the propellers. So I've had to finish this test early. Unfortunately, we don't have any results today. He's a happy chappy, isn't he? Well, as you can see here from the propellers, we've got ice that has formed on them. This can very often happen in very cold temperatures when there's a lot of moisture in the air. The moisture condenses onto the propellers and then that freezes as it goes around in the freezing air. As you can see here, there's a shard of ice that's just come off the propeller when I took it into the kitchen. And then it gradually melts on my finger. So, be warned when flying in cold temperatures in the winter. Be very careful. Do short flights, check the propellers between flights. Now let's see how the Mini 3 Pro gets on. It's a real workhorse. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more of these videos, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and the notification so that you can see when I upload a video next. In the meantime, happy flying and bye-bye.